Hello, this video will teach you how to design the fin. So we're going to go on create, and we're going to go on document. We're going to call it our fin. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the front plane, put our dimensional cube to the front side, and we're going to grab our line. We're going to extend it to be 5 inches, and then we're going to click our line again, and we're going to go 4 inches from the origin, and we're just going to go upward of 4 inches as well. We're going to connect the end of this line to the tip of the origin, and then we're going to grab another line, and we're going to go from the top to the bottom right. Now we have our general shape of our fin. We're gonna trim that little excess piece off, and we're going to we could also remove this as well, and then we could just fix that. There you go. Now it's a lot more cleaner. So now we're gonna go check mark our sketch. We're gonna extrude it, and we're gonna do a symmetric extrusion of 0.15 inches. Oh, I forgot to click the face. There you go. There you go. And this is what we should be ended up with. What we're going to do now is we're gonna, in order to make our fin more aerodynamic, whereas as we can see, our edges are square. What we're going to do is we're gonna round off our edges. So we're gonna click fillet, and the fillet should be 0.05 inches, and we're just gonna click on every edge. Now, as we can see, our edges are a little bit more rounder. What we're going to do now is we're going to create, let's see. So as we can see, the bottom of our fin is completely flat, and this will not allow an optimal connection onto the body tube. So what we're going to do is we're going to round off this bottom section. So what we're going to do is we are going to firstly sketch it. We're going to click sketch. We're going to go on right. What we're going to do is we're going to click on our line. And so now we're going to we're going to extend our line to be 3.0625, which is the outer diameter of the body tube. And then from the midpoint, we're going to click, we're then going to click our center point circle, and then we're going to go to the midpoint of this line. And it should meet right there, the very end. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on the origin, and then have a line that meets that will be, actually what we can do is we'll get a midpoint line, and then we're going to make it 1.5 or 0.15. From that line, from both ends of that line, we're going to click here, and we're going to extrude it downward, and then we're going to click on the opposite side and extrude it downward, and we're just going to trim. There you go. And we should be left with very small shapes and gaps, but overall maintaining a little curved arc. So from that sketch, we're going to extrude it. We're going to extrude it, and we're going to extrude it 5 inches. There should be a little bit excess material right here. We can leave that since this is a very negligible amount, and it's overall just to attach to the fin optimally. So we could just leave that on there, and we could assume that it's just overall part of the fin. It will not hurt the design overall. And yeah, this is how you design our fin. Thank you.